Look how far this line extends from Sarina, London, Canada. Look at this. Look how far this thing goes down. Here's Fort Wayne. Here's Indianapolis. I have a barber from Supercuts that's from Indianapolis. Evansville. Hey, Memphis, Tennessee's right here. Keep going down. El Dorado. Clarksdale, Tennessee. Oh, Clarksville. There's Little Rock, Arkansas. Hello, Cassette Master. I miss hearing from you. Cassette Master. Shreveport. Let's see. There's Monroe, Louisiana, where I sometimes get. I've gotten 1019 out of Monroe, Louisiana before before it was Star when it was called KNOE. From Star, let's see, from KNOE to Star Pop Music to Urban AC, which is kind of an adult urban AC. Okay, we made it to Houston. Hey, Justin, how are things in Houston? Here's Lufkin. Lufkin's a mess. Here is Alexandria right here. Alexandria, Louisiana. Baton Rouge is a little messy, and Lafayette's a little messy. Okay. Hey. How's the Destin radar doing? Doesn't look too bad. Alright, let's get back to the mess. Lufkin, Livingston. There's a 92.3 in Livingston that plays classic hits. Here's Conroe. Where am I? Here we go. Here's Conroe, Texas. Here's Bryan. Brenham. Finally, here's Austin. This thing extends. Here's San Marcos, San Antonio. Hey, Corn City. Okay, there's where Corn City, Texas is, just in case any wonder. I have family members that did live in Corn City, but now they live somewhere else. Beeville, Corpus Christi is okay. This is a huge rainstorm. Laredo. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you an idea how huge the system is. Let me zoom out here. Okay. Here's where we are. Here's Austin right here. Here's Round Rock. Where's Georgetown? Georgetown seems to be non-existent. So yeah, this thing goes for a long ways. I hope you guys have a great day. I just wanted to show you the radar. I'm sorry if this is a very confusing image. Okay, there we go. It's working again. Here's Waco. Right here. And here's... Hi, Clay. How are things up in Dallas? Fort Worth. So this is a huge mess of a system, and it's giving us some much needed rain. There's some of it right over here in Fort Wayne's. I can't pronounce that time. Friendly. Toledo, Ohio. Detroit. Poor Detroit's gone through such rough times. Okay, Austin. I hope you had a great day, Justin. Yesterday, on your birthday. I'm Robert from Highman ZXC. There's Beaumont, right there. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm just listening to 95.9 The Oasis out of Indian Wells, California on the internet right now. Bye.